If you want to transfer photos and files from Dropbox to OneDrive, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to move your files safely from Dropbox into Microsoft OneDrive so you can keep everything backed up, organized, and easy to access from one place. Whether you're switching cloud storage accounts, freeing up space, or just want to keep your photos and documents in OneDrive, this guide will walk you through the full process. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Dropbox in your web browser. You can do this on any computer, and it works best if you're signed into the Dropbox account that contains the photos and files you want to move. Once Dropbox loads, sign in if needed and wait for your files and folders to appear. Now go through your Dropbox account and select the photos and files you want to transfer. You can choose individual files, multiple files, or even an entire folder depending on what you need. If you want to move a large number of items, take your time and make sure everything you want is selected before continuing. Once your files are selected, click the download button. Dropbox will prepare the files and start downloading them to your computer. If you selected a folder, Dropbox may compress it into a zip file first. That is completely normal. Just wait for the download to finish before moving on. After the download is complete, save the files to a location on your PC that you can easily find, like your downloads folder or the desktop. If the file's downloaded as a zip file, you may need to extract them first so you can upload the original photos and documents into OneDrive. This is an important step because OneDrive works best when you upload the actual files directly. Now open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser. If you're not already signed in, log in with the Microsoft account where you want your files stored and make sure you're using the correct account before uploading anything, especially if you have more than one Microsoft account. Once OneDrive opens, go to the destination folder where you want your Dropbox files to be stored. You can upload them into your main OneDrive area or into a specific folder if you want to keep things organized by project, date, or file type. Next, click Upload, then choose Files or Folder depending on what you want to transfer. If you downloaded individual photos and documents, choose Files. If you extracted a Dropbox folder and want to keep the structure, choose Folder. Then select the downloaded Dropbox files from your computer and confirm the upload. OneDrive will now begin uploading your files. The upload time will depend on how many files you selected and how large they are, so just let the process finish. If you're moving a lot of photos, it may take a few minutes, but you can keep an eye on the upload progress at the top of the screen. When the upload is complete, your Dropbox photos and files will now be available in OneDrive. At this point, you can open them, organize them into folders, share them, or access them from any device signed into your Microsoft account. This is a great way to consolidate your cloud storage and keep your important files in one place. A couple of quick tips before you finish. If you're moving a lot of files, transfer them in smaller batches so it's easier to check for missing items. Also, always double check that your files uploaded successfully before deleting anything from Dropbox. That way, you won't lose access to anything important. And that's it. You've now transferred photos and files from Dropbox to OneDrive using a simple download and upload method. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.